It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Oh, can you get this off my leg? Shit. Ah. You alright, dude? I think I'm good. Dude! You okay? We should clean the fuel. Check your ankles, check your legs and stuff. You alright? Yeah, let me just get back to the pit. I'll get your bike back. Okay. Yeah, let me get my helmet off. Hey, damn it, man. Dude, huge. What happened? Oh my god. I can't move my arm. We were just talking about, maybe we should go out, maybe we shouldn't. Maybe we should. Oh, that didn't feel good. Here, I can't get the zip. Let me get this, let me just get off the tracks on that. In their patient way.
I got some ice here for you. Not the biggest thing, ice.
I think so.
I got you a cold Gatorade and a bag of ice.
Yes, sir.
I got some ocean in there. You can see it. Well, they both went into that turn, and then when I looked over here to the chicane, I went, huh.
Oh, it was with somebody else?
There's
Yeah,
Dave.
I was following Dave.
Oh, damn. He like slowed down too much?
No,
I'm just going to get that back too.
I think I went on the outside. He took the inside. He came across. I think I freaked out and either hit the brakes or just, oh, but I lost the front like immediately. What hurts? What hurts?
Collarbone.
Uh-oh. Ooh.
Can you lift your arm straight out to the side?
Okay.
Okay. No. It's not dislocated.
I think it's bruised.
It's not
Really bad. Could be
it might-
fractured.
Yeah, could be a small fracture too, but fracture.
Like, you're mostly okay, dude.
Yeah.
All I saw was a pile of Colin when I came around the corner.
couldn't
I was
get
like,
the bike off my
oh,
knee.
shit.
Well, no one looks over here, by the way. I was waving it. Here, I'm gonna give you 4 of these things, okay?
That's the recommended dose.
4, 800 milligrams 3 times a day.
Thanks.
Feeling any better, Ben?
Not really.
Alright, done for the day, huh?
Oh yeah, definitely done.
Are you racing too tomorrow?
I hope so.
Supposed to?
800 milligrams ibuprofen.
800.
Yeah.
Every 4 hours.
Hey, Colin, should we hit the other one?
Yeah, just break the other one.
Hey Dix, what do you think? Broken? Come look at it.
If it swells,
Dude, it's up.
so that shit.
It hurts like hell.
Can you see it?
Yeah, we probably should get him to the doc.
Yeah, you go there. Whoa.
Yeah.
I love how everybody's like, ooh.
Ooh. Yeah, dude.
Can you see
You
the
can feel
lump?
it, touch it.
You got a lump?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is one.
Down one more guy.
Hey Dave, so you got well, if he's got to go to the doc, who's going to go with him?
I can go with him.
I can drive.
So you can drive.
Probably shouldn't.
I got one hand.
This one hand.
5 maybe?
Well, I did drive myself to Riverside Community Hospital, and I spent the next 5 hours there. A little bit with the trauma unit. They were checking me over because it was a motorcycle accident. Apparently saying certain words automatically key you into the trauma unit, so I'm going to be a little bit more selective of what I say next time because I didn't think I really needed to go through all of that. After about 5 hours, they gave me a sling, kicked me out. What's interesting about that is when they put me on the table to start working on me, they told me that they needed to cut my suit, and I was not having that, so I stripped out of it as fast as I could. Did not want to lose my like $150 Dainese undersuit. But when they released me, I didn't have a shirt or anything to put on. So I walked out of the hospital with a hospital gown on, my shorts, some borrowed socks. So I drove back to the track. Dave was still there. He was going to camp overnight for the 24-hour race the next day. Packed all the stuff into my truck that I'd left there, and I drove home for the night. And the next day I actually felt pretty good, so I went out and I watched the race. I had a good old time. The day after, Sunday, I couldn't get out of bed. It was so painful, and I had no pain meds. They didn't give me anything. They were like, yeah, Tylenol, here you go. Well, I assumed, because they released me, they didn't really mention anything, they didn't even show me my x-rays, that it was kind of a minor fracture. Today I got back from the orthopedic surgeon, and my bone is broken into 3 different pieces. So I have surgery scheduled for next Wednesday. We're going to go in, we're going to plate it. And in 12 weeks, I'll be good to get back on a bike. So not too bad, but was kind of hoping I could avoid a surgery. Oh well. So aside from any videos that I haven't edited yet, there's not going to be any on-bike footage for me for the next 12 weeks. That's conservative. But hopefully I'll be able to do some wrenching in the garage, which, let's be honest, is kind of more popular on this channel anyway. So thanks for hanging out with me today. Keep the rubber side down. I'll see you in the next one.